Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Tash and I mostly create beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween and everyone knows I love an unboxing video, so today is an unboxing video. And today's unboxing is of Doki Doki, which is a Japan based box and it contains kawaii sort of items. So this is the October 2019 box and I'm very excited to see what's inside. So without further ado, let's get into it and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like upon opening it. And there's a little catalogue brochure thing. Tells us what's in there. And the first thing I've picked up is this Minnie Mouse ghost bag. It's got little straps on the back. And it's a little ghost shaped Minnie Mouse that is super adorable. I absolutely love Disney. So next we have this plushie, which is super adorable. It's Pumpkin Shiba, and look, it's so cute. This is definitely going to be put on my shelf. Next we have masking tape with little cats on it, so I'm curious to see what the cats look like on it. Oh, that's cute. So that is super cute too. I absolutely love cats. I'm a bit of a crazy cat lady. So. Next we have a My Melody kurumi bowl, and I'm pretty sure that's made of plastic, but it's very hard and solid and it's adorable. Then we have this kurumi spoon, which is definitely going to be used. It is so cute. Then we have these ghost sponges. They're gorgeous, and I absolutely love using melamine sponges, so these will definitely come in handy. And they're just too cute. Look at those little ghost faces. So in this box, 5 items pictured on here, which are the ghost sponges, the My Melody and Kurumi bowl, Halloween cat washi tape, Kurumi spoon, and Pumpkin Shiba. So I'm guessing this was a bonus just for me. I love it. So that was the Doki Doki October 2019 box, and yeah. I am super happy with everything that's in there, especially the plushie, because I absolutely love plushies and he was super adorable. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos.